Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Little Sparks of Inspiration. Today I want to show you how I put my layered shaker tags together. And so I did pre-cut a few items in different uh, colors and finishes. I have cardstock and I did some acetate also. And yeah, sometimes I just don't know what I will use. We'll also be using these rings from the Dollar Tree. They're 1.5 inches and they're labeled book rings and they're 8 in a pack. These work well for this tag size. We will also need some foam tape. I normally cut my foam tape in half if it's too wide, and I just use a craft knife to cut it. All right, so let's begin. All right, so usually I like to begin by marking the top of the tag. This usually helps me know where to place the top of my piece of my phone tape, and hopefully it doesn't show through the acetate. And if I marked it too heavily, usually I'll just erase it a little bit just to kind of have like a ghost line of the pencil marking. And then when adding my foam tape, I just want to make sure that each corner is touching. We don't want to have any gaps or openings, otherwise our glitter sequence will, spill out. So you don't want that. It's happened to me. So sometimes, kind of rushing, and I'll end up leaving a gap or an opening, I mean, and then I've got glitter all over the place. So just take your time. Make sure each corner, each side is sealed. And for my acetate, which is the top part of the shaker, I love using the beacon glue. For now, I found that this glue works best. So I've had no issues with it separating, which I also in the past had an issue with my frame separating from my acetate. So um, I've been using this and it's been working well. So. And before finalizing anything, I like to just double check, make sure that, the foam tape is not sticking out or that you can see it through the acetate. And so I'll just readjust where things need to be readjusted and then just do a final check. And it looks like everything looks good. So for this next step, you don't really need this tool, but I do love this stamp press, and so I use it when I put my tags together. I'll usually put a little bit of repositional, the repositional tape to hold the tag in place, and then I will put the top part of the tag to the top part of the stamp press. And so when I am ready to assemble, connect both pieces, I can just use the press to press them together. All right, so now we can add our glitter. So I made my own mix and I added this iridescent black and this holographic gold and this sugar one. These all were from Michael's. And I also made my own by using this mini paper flower punch. All right, I think I'm just gonna add half of this glitter because I want to make 2 tags using what I have right here. So I think I have enough for 2. All right, and I think I want to add a little bit more of the iridescent black. And it looks like there's enough. So, all right, now for the tricky part, having to remove all the backings of the foam tape, my least favorite part. I just have to make sure that the tag doesn't move when I pull the backing. And so this is the reason why I like to add that repositional tape, so it kind of stays in place. But the tape doesn't affect the paper when I remove it. So, all right. So I think we're ready to add our top. And look at me using my stamp press, makes it so easy. And that's it. We got one of our 2 shakers done. Look at that. All right, so I'm gonna make a second one. And so I don't know why I removed the backing of the foam tape first. I've done that before, and I always think it's a bad idea because when I add the glitter, I have to be now very careful when adding the glitter and keeping it in the center. Otherwise, if I spread it out, it'll get attached to the adhesive of the foam tape, and then it just becomes really messy. Then you don't have a solid seal, and then your glitter can spill. So fortunately, I was able to close it without it becoming too messy. The other mistake I made was that I didn't clean the acetate with an alcohol pad. Normally I just wipe it down so that my glitter doesn't stick. All right, and now it's time to put it all together. We'll need the rings, the tags, and the tassels. I have here a few in a couple of sizes, but I'll be using the large ones. And we also need a fastener. This one's about, I want to say about 3/4 of an inch, the prongs. And I like to use like a chipboard cutout. I actually put mine together by using this die cut. And I also embossed it. I embossed it first and then I glued all the layers together. I think I did like 6 layers of cardstock. And I'm also going to add a simple cardstock with a stamp with the birthday month of the recipient, and a laminated sheet that I put glitter in, the same glitter that I'm using for the shaker. It was just a leftover piece from some of the tags that I cut out of that laminated sheet. And also the initial and a button and a little sentiment. So, but anytime that I put these tags together, the pieces change. So it, it's just Just depends what you have. But all right, let's put this all together. So the goal here is to layer all the pieces and to try to sandwich the tag with all of the like ephemera and the chipboard pieces that I have here. So I just try to see how I want to layer it. I already kind of had an idea. I wanted to go from like largest to smallest, and I'll put my fastener in the front. I'll start off by doing that, and then I want to make sure. I didn't realize that I was off frame, but I wanted to make sure that the fastener gets wrapped around the ring by opening the prongs, and then we kind of close it, close the prongs behind the ring, and then add the shaker card. And I'm struggling a little bit because I can't see what I'm doing. But before putting the shaker card, I realized that I didn't add like the reinforcement circles, and I like to add those just so that my tag doesn't tear. So I'll add one to the front, one to the back, and this kind of helps it um, from like tearing a lot easier. All right, so sometimes I do add acetate. I had prepared this one, but I used my full quill pen, and I think I need more practice. So I left that one out, but I am going to add the acetate. Why not? It just adds a layer of sturdiness to the whole tag. All right, let's try this again. All right, so like I said, the goal here is to kind of layer everything together and have the fastener hold the ring in place as well. So now we add the button, and just be careful not to catch your skin on the closing of this ring, because yeah, it already happened to me. Yeah, I had to ask my husband to help me open this ring. So okay, now we want to glue down the initial, and again, I use the beacon glue, but if you wanted a little bit more dimension, you could even add like glue dots, not glue dots, what do you call the glue foam dots, right? The smaller ones. And that can give you like another layer of dimension. But for this letter, I did end up cutting several pieces of cardstock so I can make it more into like a chipboard finish. So, um, and that's basically it. All right, and here is a smaller version of that. For this one, I didn't add the shaker part of it because it was a smaller uh, tag, and but I did add a laminated sheet with the glitter mix that I had created, and it still has all the other elements of the larger without the shaker part. And I normally will add also like the initial to this one, but I also want to point out that when I set up the ring, I like to have the connecting part of the ring towards the top. This way it creates less bulk where the fastener is. So just keep that in mind if you decide that you want to give these a try. Now, I do love adding these to gift bags. It's just another fun little surprise to receive, right? Look, it's really cute. Here's a smaller one, but that's it. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that it sparks some inspiration or creativity for your next project. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button or subscribe if you would like to be notified to see more videos like these. Bye!